kings and queens, welcome to my channel, Life with Nelly, aka Hair Goddess. Today I am going to just do a quick style. Actually this video is going to be a little special because I'm actually getting myself ready to film on my film for my wine channel, which is called Wine and Chat with Chanel.N. So if you haven't checked that channel out, go check it out. So yeah, so I'm going to get ready, and then I'm going to get ready for that channel, which, like I said, you can, after you watch this video, check that video out. So yeah, so let's just get into the video. My hair is looking crazy. I don't even want to show y'all, but I'm going to for the purpose of this video. So first I'm going to take out my braids. Just don't judge me, or okay, don't fool it, guy. Don't fool it. So I'm really like, I don't have my stand, so I'm gonna be right back because I'm holding it with my hand. So it's gonna be kind of hard to do it today without, well, trying to take my hair out. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my hair is pretty much taken out, and I combed it out. You guys, it's so dirty. You probably can't really see and tell, but it's like dandruff on me. But yeah, now I'm getting ready to wash it. Okay, so now I'm about to wash my hair, and I'm going to use the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo by OGX Beauty. It says Beauty Prayer OGX and Simple. And then afterwards, I'm going to condition my hair with Nourishing Coconut Milk Conditioner, Beauty OGX, same thing and Simple. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. So I washed my hair. Now I'm going to condition it, and I'm going to blow dry it. Well, I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes, and I'm going to come back after I blow dry it. Okay, so now I blow dried it, and you see these ends, they didn't look like this. So my hair going to need a trim. Definitely needs a trim. So we're going to get to that. And it's kind of dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some, you need something to moisturize your hair if you have dry hair, so that way it won't continue on being dry, and if you want to press it, if you want to do anything to it, it's going to fall off. So you always need to moisturize your hair with something or put some heat protectant in like I did. You didn't see that, but heat protectant before you blow dry. And just things to keep your hair moisturized. Your hair is like a plant, so you know, anything you do to it, you want to take care of it. So I'm going to use some, it's called sort of the brand by Softy. It conditions and revitalizes, I'm sorry, hair and scalp conditioner, vitamin E, and it has vitamin E. So you just put some in your hand, you put it in your hair, and you know, you keep going. You put whatever style you want to put in, and that's it. I wouldn't say use a lot of this if you want to press hair out. Use very little, because when you're pressing somebody's hair, you don't want to burn them. That grease will get to their hair if it's hot heat, so you don't want to do that. But yeah, so I'm going to put that in my hair, and then when then I'm going to braid my hair, and I'll be back. I don't think I showed it, guys. I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's what I'm going to put in my hair, and now I'll be back. So I'm done, y'all. It's not the best of braids, but that's what we got. And I'll be right back. So the next step, we're going to put the wig on, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Okay. Oops, sorry. This is the finished look, and I love it. It turned out cute. It's quick, simple, easy, something real fast to do. I'm sorry guys, I really didn't put no makeup on because right now, I don't know if you guys can see, but this eye has been a little irritated, so I've been scratching it and it's like something was in it, so I'm just going to let it rest for a little while, and then maybe I'll get a good picture so you guys can see. But yeah, that's it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. It's cute. It's cute. So yeah, that's it guys. Don't forget that I'm going to be doing another video on my YouTube channel called Chanel.N. So don't forget to check that out. I do have a hair Facebook page. It's a hairstylist Chanel. And pretty much I think if I'm missing anything else. No, I think that's pretty much it. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Remember to like and share. And press subscribe so that you will not miss any further videos. And yeah, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do more videos. And thank you for watching my videos. Bye.